we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.